Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have a full box variation for the BoxyCharm August box. So first I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'll show you the new ones. So first of all, you know the theme is totally BoxyCharm. Then the first one is the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Satin Refresh Powder. Next we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. You will either get that or the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Then next is the Wonder Beauty Illuminating Glow Ahead Oil. And the two new ones, the first one is the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. And then there's some kind of a gel pencil here. I'm not exactly sure what brand it is. And as soon as we find that out, I will update you. And as soon as they come out with more variations, I will also update you with that. And as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.